Oh, wow. Easy. Okay, watch the tint. We gotta be careful with the tint. The Tesla is gonna look gutted out.
Yo! What the hell? It's like super crazy. Oh,
that's fire!
That's perfect!
Welcome back, my beautiful people, to another video of mine. Today we are in the Tesla. Yes, the Tesla. We're gonna be remodeling the interior. We're gonna be doing the headliner black suede, because right now it's currently like a brown, I don't know what color this would be. Beige, yeah, I would say this is a beige color. So we're gonna switch that to black. The pillars are gonna be black too. And we're gonna be adding some stars on the roof. I don't know how that's gonna come out because we got windows in the middle of the roof. So how will that look? We don't know. Lastly, for the interior, we're gonna be also adding some ambient lighting, which is the strip. Hopefully it comes out fire. Stay tuned if you guys think I got this. Give this video a like, subscribe right now so we can reach 25,000 subscribers. It shouldn't be hard. It should be easy. It should be easy. Elon, I hope you made it easy for me. Hopefully these are all the tools I need. I just got this, what do you call these? Pliers. T45 and a T25, just in case I don't know which one I need specifically. Ooh, sorry for the tint, Dante. Oh yeah, look, so there's just a clip here. Bottom's unclipped. Oh, wow. Easy. Okay, watch the tint. We gotta be careful with the tint. There you go. Just pull it up. Oh, wait, it's connected to something. Wait, how do I remove this wire? The Tesla is gonna look gutted out, and it's gonna look like it's ready for the drift track. Drift track? The racetrack. Imagine we find bugs in here. We shouldn't. It's a brand new car. This is definitely not the professional way. The professional way would not be using your hands. It would be using the pliers. Imagine the airbag just deploys. Okay, let's not say that right now. Day 2, mainly my fault because I started last night at 7 and within an hour it got dark. I just got this one piece left, which is the main headliner piece. Me not knowing what to do, let me just stay in the front. Come on, don't do this to me. It's so hot. It's like burning me every time I touch the window. Okay. Yeah. I think I just gotta push. That just came off easily. Damn, it's so hot. It's so hot. It's burning my finger. Okay. Imagine the whole glass breaks. Like, why make the wire so short? Look at the distance of it. It's so short. No time wasted. I went and got the fabric and the glue. As I was starting with the headliner, the fabric wasn't like bending or it wasn't stretching with the grooves here that goes in. I ended up finding out it's because I got the wrong fabric for the headliner. It's supposed to have foam behind it. So right now, it should get here today. I ordered it online. Imagine it's not the same material and I'm doing the pillars. I already started the pillars, so you guys can see. That was girls' math right there, girls' math. Am I sweating? Oh my god, my hair. I just got a package. Let's hope it's the headliner. I mean, it's in a box, so it might be creased. Because if it's in a box, that means they folded it. But from the looks of it, it's the same material. So it's gonna go with my... Well, it's kind of the same material. They're still gonna go together. What do you guys think? Definitely same material. how I'm gonna wrap this. I don't know how it's gonna work out. I just came across a problem. I'm lining it up how it's going to be, right? To see how much space I have. And this is so far how far these stars reach. We needed to reach at least towards this line. It's not a lot. It's probably like 20 pieces that are missing right there. So maybe cutting 20 pieces, place them over here, and they're still gonna be super long. So use that length that I cut out and attach it to one of these so that it can reach all the way over there. Yes, fam, shirt is off. That's how you know hard work is being done. We're at the pillars right now, so basically we're almost done. I'm about to do something that you guys shouldn't do at home. We don't have the tool to remove the seatbelt. Now we have to make a slit to make it fit. Damn. It adds character, honestly. It adds character, right? You could definitely see the slit. It's like a pimp my ride. I'm trying to figure out how to use the LED thing. The strip. Look, no tints.
Yeah, now you can't even see my tints.
No tints.
No tints at all.
L tints.
What the hell? It literally looks like no tints. Oh my god, it looks good though.
Wait, get in. What the was that, Dante?
Yo! What the hell?
Oh.
Yo, it's like super crazy. I think you can connect it to the phone.
It's like we're about to watch a Netflix movie.
You see it? It's like
I look crazy.
Scenes? What the? Oh, here.
Oh, solid!
Oh, see?
I didn't know you could do a solid.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's what I was looking for.
That's nice. It don't have to be so bright. Okay, so. Oh,
that's fire!
That's perfect. Damn!
Because it was doing the rainbow pattern.
Yeah, it was doing too much. It was doing too much. That was perfect.
Oof.
But, oh my god.
Back here is nice too. Gotta get all angles. What is that? Fam, we did it. Dante loves his car. It's a brand new car basically at this point. We're definitely going to be removing the pillars again just so I can redo the fabric because it's daytime and it's not the same material. It's not. Well, it's kind of the same material. They're still going to go together. What do you guys think? Definitely same material. One is shinier than the other one, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna fix that. Don't worry, Dante, don't worry. For the seatbelt, there's not gonna be a slit. We're gonna get the tool for it and remove the pillar. There's a slit right here. No more slits either. Do it the right way. Do it the right way. If you guys are planning on doing your Tesla, I suggest going with more stars. I went with 400 pieces of stars, thinking that would be enough. These stars right now stop right here, literally right here. I'll show you guys at night. But I wish it went all the way down. I feel like it'd be fire. Like, same with this side, the stars stop right here instead of going all the way down. I feel like 500 to 600 stars would be good. That's gonna conclude our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions on how to do it, what tools I use, what glue I use, anything at all, comment down below. I'll respond, or even DM me on Instagram. I do want to help you guys out. All it takes is patience. If I can do it, you can do it. Make sure you guys give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe so you guys don't miss out on my next YouTube video because it's coming really soon. And yeah, stay safe and stay blessed. Peace.